This is the game Apples to Apples. It's a fun card game. It's family friendly. It's for ages 12 and up, and it's for 4 to 10 players. It does get even more fun when you add the players. So how do you play? Setting up. You're going to shuffle the green deck of cards and you're going to shuffle the red deck of cards. You're going to get plenty of both in your box, as you can tell. Okay. Then you're going to choose a player to be the first judge. You can do this any way you want. Okay. Each round is going to be played just like this. You're going to play multiple rounds. So you're going to shuffle the cards, and each player is going to get 7 red cards. You're going to choose the person who's the judge. The judge is going to then pick 1 green card and read it out loud. It's got a word on it. That's your word. Then you're going to read the definition on the bottom, and that's going to kind of explain and help others realize what that word means, okay? So the judge is the only person that doesn't get to play this round. Meanwhile, this player right here gets to look at their 7 cards. These are their 7 cards they get to look at for this round. And next to the word on the bottom is again going to have a definition or an explanation of who or what that is. And that's going to help them in case you've got younger players. So this card is going to be played right here. You're going to hand it to the judge face down so they can't see who gave them what card, okay? Then the judge is going to pick up all 7 of those cards that they got. They're going to read the green card out loud again with the definition. Then they're going to go through the red cards that all the other players handed them, and they're going to pick which one they think either fits the best or makes them laugh or that they like the most. Then you got to find out who gave you that red card. They're going to say that was mine. So whoever red card it is for that round, they won. They get to hold on to the green card. And each round is played like this until someone has all the green cards and wins.